Hi, this is John from Apollo Sprayers. Today we're going to talk about your brand new POWER-6. So congratulations on your purchase, and let's go through the package and see what you just got. Okay, so let's go through all the accessories that you got with your new POWER-6. First of all, you're going to have a cleaning kit. So that comes out, it's got a bunch of picks and brushes in it. So make sure you use this for cleaning your spray gun. It's very important that you clean your spray gun each time you use it so that you put it away and it's ready to use for the next time. So a great little cleaning kit, so make sure you use that. We have the viscosity meter. This is a Class A or a number 2 Zon viscosity meter that is designed for measuring Class A finishes like lacquers or automotive finishes and that. So this will not be used for measuring latex paint. If you need to measure latex paint, you'll need a number 4 Ford cup, and those are available on our website, so check that out. Then you've got your goodie bag. Inside the goodie bag, we have our instruction manual, electric cord, and the extended warranty. So your POWER-6 comes with an extended warranty if you register your warranty on our website within 30 days. So make sure you register your warranty and you'll get an extra year of warranty with your POWER-6. Also have the blow-off tool, which is a handy little attachment that you can use in conjunction with your turbine system to blow any dust and dirt off your projects right before you get to spray them. That way you're using the turbine air, which is clean and dry. Don't ever have to worry about contamination on your work surface. And then finally, we have the 2 quick connects, which are going to get installed on the top of the machine here as your handy hold and on the front of the machine for the hose connection. The final accessory that we have in the box is your remote control. So all POWER-6s are coming with a remote control, and the way that works is just by simply plugging it into your cord. So instead of plugging your cord directly into the wall, you're going to plug the cord directly into the remote control first, like so, and then you're going to plug that into the wall, and then from there on you'll be able to turn the machine on and off using this remote control. So once you've set your power on the machine itself, you can turn on and off the machine and it will automatically resume to that same power level that you had before. So let's now go through the spray gun. You've got 2 boxes that came with the spray gun, the cup and the gun itself. The gun's located in this blow molded case, and we'll go through the setup. So now we're going to set up the bottom cup 7700 gun. So inside your white box here, you're going to have the bottom cup. So we'll take that out. That's your 1 quart bottom cup. It's already pre-assembled from the factory, so there's nothing there that you have to do. Then we're going to pull out our gun from the box itself. Inside the box, we've got the instruction manual for the spray gun itself, the valve bushing tool. There's a video on that on our YouTube channel, so check that out if you're not sure how to use the valve bushing tool. You've got a cleaning brush, a multi-tool, bottle of lube, which is got no silicone or petroleum distillates in it, so it's a special lube that's not going to cause fisheye or anything with your finishes. So make sure you use this to lubricate your gun. And then inside here we have a little parts bag which has an extra one-way valve and then this little air nipple that we're going to need. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the air nipple out of the bag right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the wrench, we're going to remove the screw that's in the side of the gun here, and we're going to put that nipple that we took out of the bag into the gun, and we're going to use the wrench here just to snug that up. So don't do it super tight because you can break this off, but that's just the need to snug that up. Then the next thing we're going to do then is attach the cup to the gun. So we're just going to attach the nut right onto the bottom of the material connector here. And then you want to rotate the cup assembly so that you have your air feed tube at about a 7 o'clock position here when you're looking at it. So if I'm looking at it, I've got the air feed tube at 7 o'clock. So I'm going to just take that up and I'm just going to snug it up with my fingers. And then I'm going to grab my multi-tool here and should be able to just snug that up. So it doesn't need to be super tight, so just again snug, and then go ahead and connect your air feed tube here. And that's pretty much your gun setup. So you can use that to store it in your handy hold while you get the rest of the system set up to use. So to go ahead and use that now, I'm going to go ahead and plug in the male fitting on the end of the hose into my turbine. And then I'm going to take the female end and I'm going to plug that into the male end on the end of my spray gun. To use the quick connects, I pull back on the ring, insert the metal fitting, the male fitting pull back until the ring snaps into place, and that's ready to go. So that goes through the entire setup on how to set up your POWER-6. If you have any questions when you're going through this or have any problems, please feel free to reach out to our customer service. And thank you again for your purchase, and welcome to the Apollo family.